What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this well-used Craftsman riding mower, and the problem is it moves extremely slow but only in reverse. If we take a closer look at the lever that controls the transmission, it doesn't look like it's moving far enough back into the reverse position. If this isn't the case, then there's a problem with the transmission. We'll also need to remove this deck wheel as it's in our way from removing the rear tire. Next, remove the protective cap and then the retaining clip and its washer. Once that's done, we can now remove the rear wheel. Moving the lever back and forth, we can now see how it interacts with the transmission. While moving the lever back and forth, I could see a little bit of dirt falling from a guide plate near the brake assembly. Let's remove the guide plate and take a closer look. First, remove the nut, then the washer and the spring. Next is a spacer, followed by a metal washer, and then a plastic washer. It then becomes pretty clear as to what's keeping this lever from going all the way into reverse. A lot of dirt has collected behind this plate and in this channel and is keeping it from fully engaging reverse. After cleaning all the dirt from this channel, the lever seems to move all the way back into reverse. Let's go ahead and reassemble everything and put the wheel back on. Once everything is back together, let's get on the mower and try to go in reverse. I'm glad this turned out to be an easy fix because it could have easily been a transmission issue. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.